When should my orthotics be replaced? As a general rule of thumb, we suggest that you replace your orthotics when you replace your shoes. So if you were doing enough mileage to replace your shoes in a year, then we'd say replace your orthotics at the same time. Generally what we'll find is the midsole and the outsole of the shoe will wear in about the same fashion as the insole, and so over time both the midsole, the outsole and the insole of the shoe will wear and give you less support and give you less protection against overuse injuries. So for example, if you were replacing your shoes yearly, we would suggest replace the insoles yearly. However, if you are maybe doing 1 to 2 walks a week and only replacing your shoes every 18 months, then we'd replace them after 18 months. It's a good idea to take the insole out of your shoes occasionally and check for signs of wear and tear. Quite often we find that down in the plantar medial aspect of an orthotic, so if we use this one as an example, down through this section here will start to wear, and you'll start to see on the top cover of an orthotic, a custom-made or an off-the-shelf orthotic, you'll start to see this section here will start to compress. And what that will actually do, it'll start to let your foot pronate and come down as this section will compress, and then you'll over-pronate into toe off, and you're more likely to get overuse injuries because your foot's not being supported and held straight while you're walking or running. So as a general rule of thumb, about 12 months or when you replace your shoes is when we would replace our orthotics. Thanks. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It's very simple to do and it really does help us out. If you'd like more information on the topics discussed, please check out the links in the description, and this will take you to our website where we can discuss these in more detail. If there's a specific question that you have or you'd like answered, please comment in the comments section and we'll do our best to make a video to address this. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.